I know it's a little late, but let's go ahead and do an income report for June 2022. So this is the income breakdown of June 2022. And just before we get into the details, it's important to note that this is the income that I was actually able to collect in the month of June. If you're an affiliate marketer, then you know that usually if you make sales, you get paid 1, 2, or 3 months after the fact, just depending on the affiliate product in which you're promoting. So these are the sales that I've made in the past and I was able to collect in the month of June. The total affiliate income was about $4,450, and this was collected from about 4 to 5 affiliate programs. The second source of income was from consulting. I had a couple people that hit me up from this YouTube channel that wanted help in growing their YouTube and their website business. So that consulting totals to about $2,000 each month. And the last source of income is from YouTube ads. As you can see, for the month of June, I had about 28,000 views, 2.1 thousand watch time, 291 new subscribers, and I made an estimated revenue of $575. The reason why this is $750 is because I converted it from USD to Canadian dollars, but affiliate income and consulting are all paid in USD, so these numbers are correct. So that brings us to a total income of $7,200. And while that's not a life-changing amount by any means, I'm eternally grateful for every single one of you. Because of this revenue, I'm able to go full-time on YouTube and also reinvest a lot back into the business. This allows me the time and resource to go out and produce the best quality content that I can. Moving forward, I'll be focusing on diversification, product creation, and scaling. Specifically, the focus will be to diversify the income streams for this channel. So that means adding new sources of income such as brand deals, sponsored videos, or even creating my own product. Affiliate marketing is a great way to start getting revenue quickly when you start your website or your YouTube channel, but you never want to be too reliant on selling another person's product or service. It's a better long-term strategy to have your own product or service that you're selling. With that being said, I'll be doing a free training in which I'll show you how to create a 6-figure YouTube business in less than a year. If you would like to sign up for the free training, I'll leave a link below this video. So essentially, I'll be doing a free training and I'll be releasing a paid course in which you'll see all the strategies in which I've used over the past year to grow this YouTube channel. And the last focus will be on scaling. To have more impact, you need to reach more people. And you need to diversify the sources in which you're getting traffic from. So right now I'm doing really well on YouTube, but moving forward, I'll be adding new traffic sources such as Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. By doing so, I'll have access to a much larger audience and be able to reach a lot more people. And I'm not trying to do that just to make more money, while that probably will be a byproduct. I'm doing it because I believe everyone out there is capable of building an online business in this day and age that will bring them an extra $5, $6, or even $10,000 per month. I've learned a lot building this YouTube channel, and it's really changed the way that I think. And I've realized that you, one, don't need that big of a following to be able to make a decent money online. And you also don't need to invest 40 hours per week or put in a lot of money into the business. You can do this while working full-time and be able to create a second or third stream of income for your family. I've really been inspired by what I've learned, and I want to go ahead and show that to other people as well. As always, thank you guys for all of the support. And if you want to sign up for the free training, I'll leave a link below this video. If you have any questions as to anything that I mentioned in this video, again, as always, leave a comment below. Until next video, stay well.